Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple. I'm so glad that you guys are here. I will be documenting week 9 of my 2024 Project Life album. I'm still using Elle Studios February kit. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take you through my week. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have these free 3x4 weekly cards that you could download. There's a link in my description. Just hit the link and you can download and print your cards for your project life, or you could use them for any other projects that you seem fit. So anyway, my top 3x4 picture there is just a picture of dinner that I made. I'm trying to lose weight, and so I'm just trying to make, healthy meals, and this happens to be a really yummy meal that I made. It's kind of like just chicken bowls, so it's really good. So I just used an Ali Edwards stamp. It was like a June stamp. Excuse me. It just says good stuff, and I used a circle die cut from January's kit. I still have a couple of die cuts that I'm still using up, but this week I did most of my journaling. I typed it up and I printed it on clear sticker paper, and so here I'm just trimming my my journaling and adhering that to this card that says love this story. This picture happens to be a picture of my sons and I playing headbands, and it was funny because we were taking a selfie, and Milo, my dog, he came in and took a picture with us, and I thought that was so cute. Yeah, I just went ahead and used the story stamp, today's story stamp from Elle Studio. I forget that I have these little tiny little numbers, so I just stamped out the date and added it onto my card here. So I couldn't find I have a stamp cleaner, but with all the stuff that I moved around, I don't know where it's at. So it's just a paper towel, and then I'll clean my stamps later. So yeah, and then I just added another little, I was going to put it in the pocket, and then I realized, oh, I needed something to put on there. So I did end up taking out this die cut that says good times, and we had so much fun. It had been a while since the boys and I played a game together. So that was very enjoyable. This 4x6 picture here, I was tucking my son into bed, and he's my youngest son, and I just enjoy all the things that I did with all my other two. Now they're all big and grown, and they don't need mom to tuck them in. Once in a while I'll tuck in my the middle child. He's 12, but I still go in and I'll tuck him in and give him a kiss and say goodnight, and tell him sweet dreams. And on an occasion I'll do that to my oldest as well. And it's just a mom thing. You just have to still tell your kids how much you love them, and just hope that they know that, right? So I just added a little puffy heart that Gloria sent me in my Galentine's package. Thanks again, Gloria. So yeah, I just added little bits in here, little pieces here and there. This protector sheet is a flip. I'm only using one side of the protector because last week I was sick and I didn't have a lot of pictures to document. So in lieu of that, I went ahead and added this side, and so I added these two 3x4 pictures are of the same day. We decided to go out for a walk. I used this card that says this is awesome, I believe, and it's a picture of my watch of documenting our walk, and it was like an hour walk. It was a good walk, and the kids enjoyed it. What we thought was going to be a routine walk ended up being a long walk because we ended up walking to my dad's house, and then we walked back, and it was fun. We just enjoyed each other's company. We're talking, cracking jokes, and just, it was just fun to have that time with my kids. So it was just me and my kiddos. My husband had drill that weekend, and so it was just us. Usually my husband does join us on these walks. But But you know, it was just nice being just with my kiddos. So I used this card here from the kit that says all the details. I just added let's go for a walk. I kind of documented a little bit and then just added my kids' names on there. And then I do end up using a star from the little die cuts that came with the kit. And then I call that card done. The next 3x4 picture below that is a picture as a selfie. I do follow along Are You Kristen selfie project, the Awesome Ladies project. I'll go ahead and link, not link, but put in her information there if you guys want to follow along. It's fun. Just take a selfie picture of yourself and then jot down 3 things that are happening right now. And so yeah, I've been doing it every week so far. I'm hoping that I get to do the rest of the year, and you know, just I feel like I need to add a little bit more of me in there in the album, because I usually, you know, I am taking the pictures and I'm usually behind the camera, so I need to add myself in there as well. And so this is a perfect opportunity to add this in there. So I actually enjoyed doing it. I've been opening up a little bit more and posting it on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, I am the.paper.pineapple on Instagram, and you can follow me along there too. So this card I love because it has like these little labels, and I like the colors on there, and I went ahead and just added, I kind of just like summarized my Thursday 3, and then just added those on there. And so here you just see me trimming these, and I find it that the best way of doing this, because there's no way to unstick it without having your prints on it. It's so annoying. I just fold a little corner and just put it down where I think I want it, like kind of centered, and then because once you put it down you can't lift it and it just picks up the paper from the bottom. So this is just a good way of just kind of measuring out your sticker paper, and then I just lift it and just spread it out so that there's no air bubbles. Sometimes if you don't press down immediately, once you press the sticker down, you get air bubbles and you could still see them, so that helps with it. So just a little hint there, if you guys do decide to buy some clear sticker paper, it is really useful and fun to use. So anyway, so that's that card right there, and just put that in the pocket there. And so now I'm ready to do the other side of the protector sheet. This one has 2 4x6s and 3x4 landscapes, and so which worked out great because my pictures happen to be perfect for this size. The top 4x6 picture is a picture of my daughter and I. We actually went to go see the Little Mermaid play at her school, and her friend played the main role. She was Ariel in the Little Mermaid, and then her boyfriend was Prince Eric. And then we also know another gal that's on the play as well. Her name's Abby, and she played Ursula, and oh my gosh, they killed it. It was so awesome. They did an amazing job, and yeah, we got to see Abby and give her a big hug and congratulate her on her amazing role. And of course, my daughter took a picture of her and her friend Isabella, and she has such a beautiful voice. These 2 girls have been friends since elementary school, and it's crazy because now they're sophomores in high school and they're doing their own thing, and she's great. So it was nice to give her a big hug and congratulate her on her leading role. It was really fun. Excuse me. So I went ahead, and I didn't show it here on camera, but I do have a 6x8 pocket that I do add the little pamphlet talking about all the actors and all the fun stuff about, you know, the Hive Theater Company of the school. And so that was pretty neat. So I went ahead and add that there, and then I will be adding my 6x8 digital page, which I haven't done yet. I'm gonna probably do and post later, and then add it here on this insert here. So I just add a little bit of details here about my daughter and her friend, and I just added a punched tab so that I can put it on the side because there's no other pocket that I could put this in. 3x4 portrait style, I don't know, I forget. Vertical, portrait, I forget. The landscapes, the ones that's like hot dog, and or what is it, the bun hot dog, I forget. But it's just landscape and portrait vertical, I don't know. So I just added that little tab there so I could, you know, see that I had a picture behind there. You could pull it from there. And then these two pictures below that, it's a picture of my daughter's cheer banquet. It was at the end of the year, and they had a dinner. Excuse me. And these are all the girls who were on the competitive team, the varsity cheer squad. This is my daughter's second year in varsity cheer, and so she received her 2 awards and then her 2 patches. And so we recently just purchased my daughter her jacket, and so now she was waiting to get these patches to add onto her jacket. So now we could take it and she can maybe use it for the next couple of days because it's going to start warming up. Spring starts, I believe, on the 13th, or 14th, something like that. It's coming up, and then the time's going to change tomorrow. So we're going to spring forward and we're going to lose an hour of sleep, guys. I know it's really hard, but I love having an extra hour of sunlight. I feel like you can get a lot more done during the day. And so this picture here is just a 4x6 picture of my daughter and her friends, and they all received their awards and they're showing off their, you know, their happy faces, and it's just nice to see my daughter and all her friends. They're all so beautiful. Excuse me. And so I just added this little flag here, bunting flag, I forget whatever they call it, and I added these clear stickers, and I think it says just be you or something like that, and called that done. Oh, and then I do add a heart above my daughter's head because I just want people to see, you know, that's my daughter there. So and then I needed another 3x4, but I didn't have any journaling cards that went landscape, so I forgot that I had printed out the journaling. And so I had originally, excuse me, picked out this card. I get a little tickle on my throat. But then when I added the journaling on top, there was a gold frame around it, and it wasn't going to work. So I just ended up cutting this journaling and adding it on a 3x4 card. So I just cut out a 3x4 card on from white cardstock, sorry, and can't even talk. And then I just added my journaling on top. Yeah, pretty simple. And just put that in the pocket there. And then I was going to add my little tab here. These are Avery tab dividers that I order on Amazon, and they're fairly inexpensive and they're super easy to use. It's just very practical and easy to put. They have these little white strips that you can add to put inside the tab, and I usually like to use clear stickers, and or I'll just use the Tim Holtz Small Talk stickers there, and then just add that in on both sides of the little white tab there, and then I just insert it. Sometimes I have to use like my tweezers or some stickers to push it through, but other than that, it's fairly easy to use, and I think that's about it, guys. This is pretty much sums up my week. A lot was going on. There's a lot of pictures during this week. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm hoping to post another video, an update of my she shed, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I hope you guys see you in the next crafty video. Alright guys, I'll see you then. Bye!